Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will continue with our exciting topic on US retirement plans that pique your interest. In this video, we'll delve into the US profit sharing plan, what it is, how it works, who contributes, and the pros and cons. So, before we get immersed, kindly hit like, share, and subscribe first. So now, first things first. What exactly is a US profit sharing plan? Well, simply put, it's an employer sponsored retirement savings plan that gives employees a percentage share in the company's profits. It's a fantastic way to give employees a sense of ownership in the company or reward them for their hard work and contributions to the organization's success. Now, let's explore how this plan works. Typically, a US profit sharing plan is funded by the employer at discretion, with contributions based on a percentage of the company's profits. These contributions are then allocated to the eligible employee's individual accounts. So, who contributes to a US profit sharing plan? As we mentioned earlier, the primary contributions come from the employer of any business size. However, the specific rules and regulations followed can vary, and it's essential to ask for guidelines for eligibility from your employer. It may be in terms of tenure and/or performance. Each employer has also to prove that there is no discrimination in favor of highly compensated employees. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of a US profit sharing plan, as it's crucial to consider both sides of a coin. Starting with the pros. As the contributions made by the employer are generally based on the company's profits, your funds can significantly grow over time. Imagine the potential substantial retirement savings you can take. Another advantage is the powerful psychological effect inculcated by being considered one of the owners of the company. The plan motivates each employee to work hard as this equates to their retirement funds, an amazing effect that unites employer and employee relationships. Furthermore, US profit sharing plans often offer tax advantages as it helps in the reduction of companies' and employees' tax bill. Contributions made and earnings are typically not included in the tax until distributed. This advantage becomes an opportunity to bring significant benefits to growing companies. Now, let's explore the cons. One potential downside is that the contributions to a US profit sharing plan are discretionary. This means contributions are not mandatory and guaranteed. So, there will be a time, especially during lean times or challenging financial periods, that employers may reduce or eliminate their contributions altogether. To wrap up, a US profit sharing plan can be an excellent tool for employees to save for retirement while reaping the benefits of their company's success. But of course, you should consider specific terms of your employer's plan and be aware of the possible risk involved. That ends today's video. I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our future videos. Thanks for watching and stay curious.